start by drawing an oval body. Add 2 big eyes and a happy smile. Now draw 4 wings on the sides and 2 stripes across the body. Color the bee's body yellow with black stripes. The wings can be light blue, and the smiley face stays bright and cheerful. Perfect! Our bee is buzzing and ready to fly from flower to flower. Well done, you made a busy little bee friend. First, draw a round head with 2 big eyes. Add a beak, a body, 2 wings, and a tail with 3 feathers. Don't forget the 2 legs with claws. Now color the bird blue. The beak and legs can be orange or yellow. Add some light blue on the wings to make them stand out. Wonderful! Our bird looks cute and ready to sing in the sky. Great job, you made a happy little bird friend.